anywhere. You are not going anywhere. You will not leave this house. What is even wrong with you? What is all this nonsense? Are you cursed with poverty? Can't you give me money? Can't you tell your wife? I know how you married me. Look at me. You don't even take care of me. You don't give me money. I'm not eating good meal. You're not stepping out of this house till you give me money.
If I don't go out, how do you expect me to have the gift to you? At least let me go out and hustle. Please.
You call Erichego? Are you done talking nonsense? I want to hustle. Megan. Megan. Don't you leave this house every day at night? Do you always come back with money? The answer is no. So you go out, gallivant. I don't even know what you're doing with the money you're making. See, there's nothing that will make me allow you live here until you bless me. You must make me smile. And that's by giving me money.
Neighbors are watching you. Do you think that I, your husband, me, Christopher, will have money and not want to give to you? Look at me, I don't have money. Please let me go. Look, you see, what we need now is just prayer, constant prayer. I'll make you smile.
What we need is prayer. The one we've been doing before, is it not prayer? Is it not prayer? See, if you have bad luck, I don't care. Because I've fasted, I've prayed, I've gone to the mountain. Yet, I did not come to this house to die, and I will not die. You must give me. Don't tell me to shut up, because our neighbors not enjoying in their houses. Are they not eating good meals in their houses? Eh? When was the last time we cooked with Morocco, Azo, or even meat in this house? You know, some neighbors are listening. They should better listen, so that you'll be ashamed of yourself and give me money.
Quiet now, keep quiet.
You're not going anywhere. If you want me to leave you, you have to make me smile. That's by giving me money. No money, no peace. Any poor man, will do that. They don't know. Money brings good love and romance. Idiots.
It's unfair.
Christopher, you're not going anywhere. Christopher, you're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere. I did not come to this life to come and suffer like this. Obama, get stay there. Obama, stay there. You must give me money.
Now, because you're getting along.
Hey!
You know what? It will make you to start serving your junior. Yeah? It's a very big disease. In fact, I reject poverty with everything in me. Brother, I must make money. Ma, but there you go.
What is it our mates do that we don't do?
I wonder.
What is it now? No, tell me. Are we not working hard like they do? I mean, I wake up by 4 a.m. every day and then go to bed by 11 or even later. Yet, nothing. Nothing to show for it.
We're just feeding from hand to mouth. In fact, we're not just feeding from hand to mouth, we're feeding from abject poverty. If there's anything more than abject poverty, that is what we are living in.
Severe poverty. Severe poverty.
What is this now? What is going on? Are we not hustling? Are we cursed? Or am I, let me start from myself. Am I cursed or what? I'm a hustler. So what is going on? My brother, I must make money.
It's the survival of the fittest. We must make money. Whatever it is that they do or however it is that people make money, we must get into it and then get money. How about all this one? I will do anything it is. I must see. I am ready to do anything to make this money. And I will do it. I must make money. What's all this one? I'm tired of all this the back and forth every time.
No.
Let's not even think about that one. I'm not even ready to run up and down now. Please.
Mama, what is it again now? Mama, let me get you. Mama, I'm back.
Mama. Mama. Just stand up a little. Just try it. Sorry, oh. Sorry. Just drink it to help you. Sorry, oh. Sorry.
Thank you, my daughter.
Hey.
Thank you very much.
Mama, let me call Brother Chico in now. Your head is getting worse by the day. The earlier we take you to the hospital, the better.
Leave your brother alone. That boy is trying so much. Leave him.
Sorry. Mama, I know. You're more important right now. Let me just call him, please.
I'll be fine, daughter. Go and finish up what you are doing. Sorry. And come and clean me up. I feel so dirty.
Sorry. Let me give you some more, okay? Just okay, I'll be back, Mama. Okay. Just try and lie down. Sorry, oh? Sorry. I'll come back, Mama.
They are fighting again. What will make a man and a woman who were so much in love before they got married be fighting like this, if not because of lack of money? Yeah? Poverty is bad. Who is there?
It's also...
We are here. My friends are here. Why do you be like this? Christo.
Sir, how far?
Christo.
I'll see you later.
Nadalo.
Birds of the same poverty. Obenye together. Neka hanaga. Useless man. You can't even make friends with whom woke na akwa, whom woke jiego, e-money them, at eze odangote, then do yandala. Stupid set of boys. Whatever without money, I'll teach you a lesson.
Ikem. Who is there? Who is Ikem? Who is? Linda. Have you seen Ikem today?
No, I haven't seen him today. I saw him last yesterday night.
Nanya, Linda. I want you and the other tenants in this yard to bear me witness. For 4 months now, Ikem have not paid for waste management. I'm just telling you this because if I come back here next time, he will not like what I will do to him. Please warn him. You in this yard, warn him.
Ikem is very shameless. Oga caretaker, do with him whatever you want. Nobody will blame you. Do whatever you want to do with him.
Don't worry. I know what to do. I know what to do. If he cannot pay here, if we got this all company in front of you, he will just park into that uncompany bush and live there now. Stop troubling people. Can't DJ go Batamono? Leave that. Tell him that this all company, let him pack his things into there. Yana snake and reptiles.
No, don't go there. Don't go there. Listen. Money or no money, love or no love, no woman is able to talk to me in that manner or draw possible. Now, yala. She mad?
Ikem, I'm sure it's because you don't have a woman that you truly love. That's why you're talking like this.
My brother, cool down. We are talking about money here. When money comes, woman will come, love will come. Matagude go back first.
But Ikem,
Matagude go first.
Ikem, I've been thinking, are you really sure of this, man? Because I don't know, I'm just thinking, I'm just confused here.
One day he's confirmed. Yes, I confirmed it. Odinaka, that used to do conductor for me, now drives Lexus 570. We are talking about money here. Now I need it to go.
Wait, wait. Let me understand. Is it that 570 like that used to be?
Property.
Like
Maroze moto. One name. Drum called you now because. Drum called you now.
The way you are changing this thing.
Let's go.
Sorry. Mama, sorry. Let me go. Sorry, Mama. Sorry. Mama, stay with me. Sorry. Brother, pick now. Pick. Mama, sorry.
Sandra, how's Mama's health? Calm down and talk to me. What happened? Okay. See what you do now. Go and rub her olive oil, okay? And put some inside her mouth. We still have some holy water from that holy ground, eh? Yes, rub it on her body and put inside her mouth. Make sure she swallows it. What do you want me to do now? I don't have a dime on me. Listen, go and do what I asked you to do. I'm not going to kill myself.
Okay. Be strong. Oh?
My mother's health is becoming critical. If not for anything, I should make money for that woman. She has done so much for me. We need to wipe away her tears.
We need money, that's the thing. Let's
My darling, are you not tired of the same old story? Christopher this, Christopher that. Girl, it's beginning to bore me. Please change the topic. I don't enjoy it.
Nne, what would you rather have me do? This is not boyfriend and girlfriend though. I'm already married to Christopher. I'm stuck with him. I don't know what to do. This is marriage.
Exactly. You will never cease to amaze me. Who will ever imagine the almighty Oluchi will ever end up like this? Oluchi, how did you end up like this, looking so poor? How?
Nne, I'm ashamed of myself. I can't even explain why I ended up with Christopher that has absolutely nothing to offer to me. Okwije love. I don't know what to do. I can't even remember the last time I went to the salon. Look at my hair, look at my nails, my color, everything. In fact,
Oluchi, you need to get up and clean yourself. You honestly need to do that because, as for me, I don't lack anything. I can never date a man who will not be able to pay my bills. Not getting married to a poor man. No, it's not good for you. Look at me. I am very rich. I lack nothing. I have everything I want. Oh, please, Oluchi. You need to get up. Please.
Christopher Ibugom. If not that I married this poor Christopher, I will not be here now. We wouldn't have been having this conversation, man. Just small money. At all, Biko. Koko rana ewetaro onwe. Biko, money, please.
I have suffered. I have suffered so much. Do you know how many times I have been humiliated by my wife and her people? Just because I don't have money. My prayer is just that this place be our final destination. That's all.
My brother, calm down. This is our final bus stop. Just calm down. You'll see what will happen. I went. I saw. And I believed. Look at Ordinaka. Ordinary Ordinaka that used to dash money. Naka is now a big boy. Relax. This is the final bus stop.
She insulted me so many times.
Your request has been accepted. The gods of money has agreed to favor you. You shall be rich.
Hey, Great Guru, thank you very much. I can't wait to be rich. I can't wait to have money so I can enjoy.
There is something you shall do for you to be rich.
Great Guru, whatever it is, I am willing. As we speak right now, my mother is sick. I'm ready to do anything the gods want me to do to have money. Please.
Are you sure?
Yes, Great Guru. I am very sure. I am ready.
Very well then. You must bring your mother for sacrifice.
Great Guru. I'm sorry. What did you just say?
I have spoken. I don't speak twice. You heard me.
I beg you when Okara go be. This is gonna happen when you shake your body. Okara go be. Money's good, I beg you. Okara go be. Poverty silent, oh. Money must make noise, oh. The world go bow when they see money. Okara go be. Poor man they fear, oh. Rich man they get a heart, oh. You go enjoy when you get money. Okara go be.
Hey! Nne, you be my goat, no. This is your car. Oh, this is not the one you came with the other time now.
You mean the Lexus? Oh, it's packed at home. I decided to come out with this, just to play on a low.
Are you serious? Yes. Hey! Chineke, there are levels to Ihowa. How? Nne, there's something I want to tell you again. I just hope you understand.
Okay. Go ahead.
I told you before that I don't know if you can help me with some money. The thing is that Christopher went out. And ever since then, he's not been back. There's nothing at home. There's no food at home. My intestine is singing. There's nothing to eat. I don't know if you can help me with some money so I can buy anything. Biko, God will punish Christopher for humiliating me like this.
Amen. Yes, money. Yes, sure.
Great Dibia. Nine. Please. Is there nothing we can do about this? There must be something we can do. How can I bring my sick mother here for you to sacrifice? Besides, she's the reason why I'm here to make money. And now you want me to sacrifice her? Great Ikoro, listen. I am willing to do any other thing. Just tell me. Any other thing. If it's 20 goats, 50 cows, I will steal from any Fulani man I say I will bring here. Please. I am ready to do any other thing. But my mother, now, who will I enjoy the money with? Please.
The will of the gods is not the will of man. The will of the god of Egumba is not the way of us mere mortals. You have 7 days to bring her here. Now you can go.
Hey, Awomo. Chairman, Oga, see,
leave! I say leave!
Anyhow you make money, it is money. Okaragobi, leave so far behind it. Okaragobi, money.
Next person.
How you get a boo? Okaragobi. Okaragobi, poverty silent. Money must make noise. The world go bow when they see money. Okaragobi, poor man they fear. Rich man.
next. Guy.
Next.
So, how far? What did happen?
Cheer up, Oluchi. With my class and level. If I don't consider you as my friend, I wouldn't have been here. Because making money is quite difficult. So I am sorry if my words hurt. But you need to step up your games. You need to ball, you need to know what's happening in the town. And take yourself out of this pitiable condition. It's not good at all. Just look at you. You are lacking behind a whole lot, honestly.
No, you're right, Gwabamia. Gwabamia, you're saying the truth. You're saying the truth. Look at me now. I'm ashamed of myself. I just want to say thank you for this money. Please, I'll be able to buy something.
For you. You're welcome. It's okay. Look at Zara. Zara is a big girl. Do you know Zara's birthday was last week? But it's still the talk of the town. She was gifted a Range Rover SUV as a birthday gift.
Was you?
Yes. You won't believe it. Zara has got everything, just like me. Oluchi, I don't know what you're doing to yourself. You smell of poverty and it's not good.
Thank you so much for your words of encouragement. Thank you. I'll put it into work. But you see, Christopher, my husband, that stupid, poor husband of mine, I will teach him a lesson. That house will not contain us if he doesn't go out to make money like his mates. Because I need to drive my own Range Rover. I need to have my own Lexus and everything. I cannot continue like this. I cannot. I know who I used to be. Or just to T1 like this, Kego Malawi. See, don't worry. I know what to do.
That's the spirit, girl.
God bless you.
I like it when you talk like this. Because you begin to realize yourself, poverty is not good at all. Just step up your game. You need to ball. You need to be a baller. It's good for your health.
I'll ball.
You see that money?
Thank you.
Spend it wisely. Making money is very hard. Spend it wisely,
so
okay?
I know. Thank you.
No,
God bless you. Drive carefully.
Sure, I will. All right. Okay, Oluchi.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Thank you. Hi. He's so well, JD.
Young man, drop something for the gods. Money, no matter how big or small. Stop! My gods cannot accept such sacrifice. Drop something tangible. This is your first time of coming here.
Please, Great Ikoro, this is all I have for the gods. Please accept this.
Oh boy. What is it now? Talk to me. You're just hissing like a pregnant woman. What is the problem? Yeah? I'm talking, you're still hissing. Talk to me now. What's going on?
You will not understand.
My friend, keep your understanding to yourself. I'm not here to understand anything. I'm here to make money. We are here to make money. Yeah? We are not here to look at anybody's face. Get hold of yourself. Chito bigaka. Onego no go. Eh? We're not here to start shedding tears like a baby. Okay, be careful. Nothing good comes easy. So, check it there. I'm not here to look at your face, so we are here for serious business.
Mama, I'm back. What's this? Come and help my mother, please. Come. Mama. We are here. I'll take it to the hospital. Come and help me. Just stand up. Help her, please. Mama. Stand. Carry her from that side. Mama, sorry. Oh, sorry. Hey, sorry.
Sandra, my daughter.
Sorry.
Leave me. I want to rest.
Mama, you will rest when you get to the hospital. Let's go. Carry her, please. Mama, sorry. Sorry, oh. Gentle. One leg. Mama, sorry. Mama, stay strong. You are a strong woman. Stay with me. Sorry. We're almost there. Mama, look at the bike. It's not for a game. Just manage, please. Carry her away. Mama, stay with me. Stay with your daughter. Please. Spread your leg. Bring the bike for her now. We're doing it. Mama, sorry. Easy. Mama, sorry.
Great Ikoro, what are the gods saying? What do they want from me?
Your wife is your sacrifice.
What does my wife have to do with this?
The blood of your wife is the sacrifice required to launch you into the massive greatness that you desire.
No. Look, Great Ikoro, please. I love my wife. I cannot sacrifice my wife. Great Ikoro, is there nothing you can do to change this, please?
Anyhow you make money, it is money. Mokagobi, leave so far behind it.
She must die within 7 days.
Hey.
You have 7 days to bring her here. Now leave.
Mokagobi, poverty silent. Money must make noise. They walk about when they see money. Okaragobi, poor man they fear. Rich man they get a heart.
How's my mother? Will she be fine?
Oh yeah, she'll be fine as soon as she comes treatment immediately. Although she's down with acute malaria and high typhoid. Also, she has lost a lot of blood and need to carry out what we call blood transfusion as soon as possible.
Hey, doctor, please do anything to save my mother. I have blood. You can come and take as much quantity that you want.
Okay. In that case, the nurse will take a blood sample to check if it will tally with your mother's own. But before then, you need to make a deposit of 15,800 before commence any treatment.
15,000? Doctor, that money is too much now. It's too much. Okay, you know what? Just go ahead with the treatment while I go and look for money.
I will advise you do that fast before we start any treatment because your mother is not in a good shape. Okay, please.
15,800. Hey, Mama.
Great Ikoro, you don't understand. See, I love my wife. Yes, I don't want to lose my wife. But she's so stubborn and never listening to me. I don't know how to get her here.
If you want to catch a rat, you use what the rat likes most to lure it to your net. Fish, crayfish. The same thing applies to a woman. Use what she likes most to lure her to your net.
Great Ikoro, you don't understand. Look, My wife likes shawarma too much. I don't know.
Then shawarma is it. Then buy shawarma and bring it here before you take it to her. If she eats it, that is the end of it. You may leave. Next person.
Hello, Sandra. Eh? Listen, I don't have any money on me now. Okay? Look for money anywhere. Look for anyone to borrow from. Yes, borrow money from anybody so that you make sure Mama is taken care of in the hospital. What's wrong with you now? I don't understand. Do you think I was joking when I told you I don't have money? I don't have money. Just do what I told you. Go look for someone, borrow from that person. I will pay back. Sandra, I don't like the way you talk sometimes. Just listen to what I just told you now. Do what I... Eh?
The God says you are the bravest of them all. You have the heart of a lion. You can do anything to make money. Is that not so?
You're right, Iko. But my eyes have seen poverty. I've seen things in this life. From the day I was born till date, I have never experienced affluence. I've suffered.
You have come to all your troubles. I can see your heart. You have a brave heart. The heart of a lion. Obieji enwego. Obieji butike. Sege biari be ogodo sokororo som. Masege biaro arova ogodo bafuru.
Papa? Eh? Papa, 5 kg? Yeah! Papa, don't have 5,000 naira to send to Jiro. The truth is, there's no money. I've not even eaten his money. It's not like I'm even eating bread and coke. My husband went out. There's no money in the house. It's even my friend Gelekana came and gave me some money. No money, oh Papa. Please talk to Abel. Maybe he will give you. Yes, talk to him. When I have, I'll give him back. Please, no money. No money is okay. Here, 5,000 naira. Odumota. Christopher.
You will be rich. If only you can do what the gods I serve instruct you to do.
You could go ahead and say it. I am ready to do anything. I am very ready to do anything. Ikoro, it's better for me to live just few years being rich than to live 100 years in abject poverty. So say it, whatever it is, I will do it. Just say it and it will be done.
You are indeed a brave lion. The oracle demands that you sleep with your best friend's wife.
What? Ose?
Not only sleeping with her, it must be forceful. You must rape her so that your money will come forcefully. Kona Diana Bim. Bim. Bim.
Confusing cable rape. Does it mean that the gods... I don't understand. Ikoro, I can go as far as sleeping with a mad woman, or bringing someone for ritual, or maybe use any part of my body to do this. Not sleeping with my best friend's wife.
Go home and do as instructed. And you have 14 days to do this.
Ikoro, that is too much now.
I beg you when Okaragobi, this is gonna happen when you shake a body. Okaragobi, money's good, I beg you. Okaragobi, poverty side.
Ikoro, can the gods change this task for me?
Leave.
I beg you when Okaragobi, this is gonna happen when you shake a body. Okaragobi, money's good, I beg you. Okaragobi, poverty silent, money must make noise.
Oh my God, just in case he's sleeping with somebody's wife.
Okaragobi, poor man they fear, rich man they get a heart. You go enjoy when you get money. Okaragobi.
Doctor, this is 8,000 naira. This is just a deposit. I will still go home, sell more things and bring. Just use this to start treatment. Eh? Take. Let me see my man. I didn't see my mother in. Did you transfer her to a different ward? Where did you take her to? Let me see her. Is she getting better? Eh? Doctor, where did you take my mother to? Which ward is she in? Let me go and see her. I want her.
Just come.
I am. Where's Mama? I don't understand. Why are you telling me sorry? Where's my mother? I want to see her. Doctor, you need to start treating her immediately. I don't know why we're standing here. You're telling me sorry. Let's go now. Where's my mom? Where's my mother? Where's my mother?
It's too late. I'm very sorry. She died immediately we left.
God forbid. Doctor, my mother is not dead. Where's my mother? I left her here. You said you will not treat her without money. I went out to get money. This is the money you think is not complete. Count it, it's complete. Where's my mother? Doctor, let's start treating. My mother is not dead. Where's my mother?
I'm sorry. Like I said, she died immediately we left. I'm very sorry. Just calm, please. Calm, please. I'm very sorry. Please.
Doctor, please. Doctor, please. If it's because of the balance, bring it. I will sell more things. You asked me to money, this is the money. Where's my mother? Where's my mother? Hey.
So what are we going to do now?
Look, I am as confused as everyone else. How can I can't sacrifice my wife. I don't think I can do what he asked for. How can I sacrifice my wife?
After all the stress, just to give my mother a good life, he's asking me to sacrifice my mother. No. Who's now going to enjoy the money when I make it?
My brother, yours is even better. At least your mother is sick. So sacrificing your mother is nothing. He asked me to sacrifice my wife. Look, I love my wife. I can't do that.
No, but I don't understand. I don't get it. What do you mean by sacrificing my mother is better? What do you mean by that?
I'm sorry. Ikem, what's your own sacrifice?
It's very hard to say. I don't even know how to say it.
Guys. I think we should forget all these things and keep working hard. Maybe one day, just one day, God will remember us.
Look, Ikem, we are your friends. Is there anything you don't want to tell us or you're hiding from us? Share with us now.
Nkembe iko.
What do you mean, Iko?
Simkwa iko. Rape. That I should rape someone within 14 days. How do I go about it? How do I rape this particular person within 14 days?
Hello, Sandra. Sandra, why are you crying? Calm down, talk to me. How's... What? Hey!
What is it?
Hey.
What?
My mother is gone. Hey! Why?
Can I have my car keys?
Joe, let me explain.
Explain what? Can I have my car keys, please?
Joe, listen, I am so sorry I delayed you. And as I was coming back, I saw traffic. The traffic was very heavy. And as I was trying to dodge the traffic, the thing was taking my time. And as it was taking my time...
My car keys, please. Today will be the last time I will lend you my car. If you need a car, go to the car company and rent a car.
I am sorry, Joe, you are my person.
Get a car.
Joe, calm down, you are my friend.
Get a car. Yes. Get a car. I don't want to see you anymore.
Joe, I am sorry, Joe, please, now, I am sorry.
That's devil.
You are not going anywhere till you give me 500 naira you took from my purse in Apuala. You must be mad to think not the possible. Give me my money, oh. Give me my money. You're not leaving this house.
No, please, calm down. This thing is...
How dare you lay your filthy chicken hands on me? Are you mad? Are you mad? If you love him so much, why don't you pay the money for him?
Oluchi!
Poor men gathering together.
Oluchi!
Give me my money. Give me my money, oh. Give me my money. You know God blessed you with a good wife, but you don't want to respect yourself. Give me my money. I talk about body can be disrespectful.
How do I go about this? I could have
drugged her or begged her, but to rape that shit devil.
Christopher, you're here. Are you not going to sleep? Please, I want to sleep. Whenever you come inside, don't disturb me because I'm going to off the light. Except you want to sleep here. So you chop because someone don't disturb me. Once I off the light, that is it.
Why must it be her? Why must it be her? Hi. What have I done? What have I done to myself?
Mama, why did you have to go? Why did you have to go like this? Huh? Now that Mama is dead, there will be no need going on with the ritual. Yes. My sister is getting married soon. And I will be left all by myself. I won't do this again. I'm done. I'll keep hustling. Maybe one day, God will remember me. Ikem. How far now?
I'm good.
Are you going out or are you just coming in?
No, I'm about going out, but since you're here, no problem.
Good. Well, Christopher told me you're back from detention. Thank God for that.
You see that one that called himself the caretaker? By the time I will open his page, I'm going to deal with him mercilessly.
Well, I'm here for a very important discussion with you. Since you're the only one I could talk to, so that's why I came.
Okay.
There'll be no need for that. It's about the ritual.
Okay.
I'm not interested in it.